What was Robert Owen's New Harmony experiment? Imagine a town where everyone shares everything, works together, and lives without private property or traditional rules. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Robert Owen tried to turn that dream into reality in the early 1800s. Robert Owen was a Welsh social reformer and industrialist who believed society could be better if people worked and shared equally. In 1825, he bought a town called Harmony in Indiana and renamed it New Harmony. His goal was to create a community based on fairness, cooperation, and shared responsibilities. He wanted to build a place where private property was abolished, and people raised children together after the age of 3. Owen envisioned a self-governing community with shared kitchens, collective work, and education systems designed to improve morals and social harmony. He thought that by removing private ownership and encouraging cooperation, humans could develop into better, more moral beings. He attracted many thinkers, scientists, artists, and workers who believed in social reform. Owen hoped New Harmony would serve as a model for peaceful change towards socialism. But things did not go as planned. The lack of personal incentives made it hard for residents to stay motivated. People were not always willing to work without the promise of private rewards. Managing the community became difficult, and disagreements over work and resource sharing arose. Some residents were more interested in getting relief than contributing to the community's success. This led to internal conflicts and poor productivity. By 1827, less than 2 years after it started, the community was struggling to function. Owen sold the town and returned to Europe. Despite its failure as a fully functioning community, New Harmony became an important example of early socialist ideas. It showed that creating a society based on shared ownership and collective effort was possible but also very challenging. Owen's experiment highlighted the difficulties of moving from a society based on private property and wages to one based on cooperation. It also inspired future socialists and communal movements by demonstrating both the hopes and obstacles of building an egalitarian society. His work helped shape socialist thought by emphasizing social equality, shared responsibility, and the idea that planned communities could be part of a larger social change.